my gang, then we on that. Free bands coming in, so we on that. Counting on the ranks, you know what I'm saying? Hopping on the whip,
What's going on, Sporty's World? It's your boy Sporty back in the building with another banger. And today we're going to do things a little bit different. Today I'm going to show you guys how to clean the bottom of your sneakers. Basically, I like to keep my sneakers looking brand new at all times. And I think that really starts with the bottom of your sneakers. As you can see here, you can just see there's a little bit of, brown, all this brown here, brown. And I'm going to be honest with you, to keep the integrity of your sneakers looking good, you just want to always have them all clean. Same thing here. Especially with these white bottoms, you want to keep them clean at all times. And we're going to do this really quick. All you need is a little bit of water right here. Some magic eraser. Actually, you don't even need the whole thing. So I just break a little bit off. I put some water on it. Take out all the water. Make sure all the water is gone. And then you're going to grab one sneaker, turn it around. You're just going to go like so. A little bit more water, it's a little bit dry. Get that excess dirt off. Gets rid of all the serious outlines. Now let's look at the difference between both sneakers. I didn't put in too much work, but you don't have to. You don't gotta put in too much work at all. You just gotta get rid of all the excess dirt. If you wanna really get them white, there's a way to do that as well. I'll use this. And I'll show you that, guys, in the future. It's basically the same process as you'd use on gum bottoms. Alright, so let's look at a quick comparison picture. This versus this. So look at the difference. Look at this. See the difference? That probably took like a minute, if that. Alright, so I could probably use the same one. Let's just go to the next one. I'm not going to even take too much time on the other one because you guys get the idea. So we do the same thing. See, it's getting rid of the middle part too. Grab another piece. At least this way, you keep your bottoms clean. You can throw them in a bag if you're traveling, because the bottom collects a lot of dirt and dust. even much work. Dirt I see on the soles, I just basically remove. Alright, dry this thing off. Make sure it's fully dry. Alright guys. Basically, just gotta dry it off a little bit more. That's it, man. That's it. This is basically magic eraser all in between it. I think I got it. So basically, grab one of these for whatever's in between. You just, easily get it out. That's from the magic eraser. Or even any kind of dirt, just get it out like that. Real simple. Real simple. Nothing hard. I only wore these about probably 3 times the most since I got them. And I just try to keep the bottoms clean. That way, when I throw them back on again, it's not like wearing a new sneaker. Yeah, I know, but it's better than wearing some dirty bottoms. Can't have dirty bottoms. Same thing for here. Whatever grooves, you just put this in there. Usually if you had gum or stuff on here, you would use this. You could freeze the gum, use it, and then start chipping from the gum. Easiest way, small screwdriver, flathead, does the job. And that's about it, man. It's much better. Much better. Much better. Alright, Sporty's World. It's been a pleasure, man. Appreciate you staying with us through the whole video. Please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. At 1,000 subscribers, I am giving away a $50 GameStop gift card, guys. One $50 gift card for GameStop. I'm giving away at 1,000 subscribers. Please, let's get these numbers up. Help me out. I'm going to give you guys some good jewels in this channel. I'm going to be doing all sorts of stuff. Restoring sneakers, showing sneakers, playing video games, traveling, live so I could talk to y'all. All sorts of stuff, man. So just, stick with it. Just starting out. But it's been a pleasure helping you guys out. Hopefully this could help you guys out when you guys got new sneakers and you want to keep them clean, but you're scared of wearing them. Once you wear them for the day, get the magic cleaner, clean them up, and you'll be good. Then you can display them again. Thank you for chilling with Sporty's World. It's been a pleasure. Take care. Peace. All I did was clean the bottoms, guys. That's all I did. Back in the game. Back in the game. I used to restore sneakers back in the day, Yeah, so like I said, man, please like and subscribe to the channel, man. 1K subscribers, we giving away a $50 GameStop gift card, man. Or I might do a different one, Target or something. GameStop may not be around. I don't know. Y'all enjoy. Y'all be safe. Y'all take care. Enjoy y'all weekend with the family.